Welcome to the Science of Reading. Today, we're learning all about the short A sound. Get your listening ears ready. Let's crack the reading code.
Today's goal. Say, I can listen to sounds. I can match letters to sounds. I can read words.
Friends, watch my mouth as I model how to say the short A sound. The short A says ah, ah, ah. Can you try it? The short A says ah, ah, ah. Short A says ah, ah, ah.
Let's blend sounds. Say k, a, t. Great job, scholars.
First, we're only listening. No letters yet. Listen. The short A says ah, ah, ah. Your turn. Say, the short A says ah, ah, ah. Good job. If you hear the ah sound, I want you to touch your head. Say the words one at a time. Say apple. Apple. Yes, we hear the short A sound. Say cat. Cat. Yes, we heard the short A sound. Say map. Map. Yes, we heard the short A sound. Say dog. Dog. No, we didn't hear the short A sound. Friends, let's review. Which words had the short A sound? Let's say them. Say apple. Say cat. And say map. Great job, friends. You are so smart.
Let's read the sentence. Say, the cat sat. Great job, friends.
Congratulations, scholars. You are a reader. And when you can read, you can go anywhere.